In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. First method to fix this problem is from the desktop, click on search and type control panel. Open it. In the control panel, click on programs, then click on programs and features. Here in the top right corner, type Visual C++ and search for it. Now you have to right click on the recently downloaded Visual C++, then click on change, then repair and wait for this process. Then close the window and restart your PC and check have your problem been solved or not. If it's not, then move to the second step. Press Windows plus R key from your keyboard and write msconfig, then click OK. Now you have to click Service and here check Hide all Microsoft Service and click on Disable all. Then click on Apply and then click on OK and restart your PC. Now check have your problem been solved or not. If it's not, then move to the next step. From the desktop, click on Search and type CMD and click on Run as Administrator and type sfc/scannow. Then hit Enter and wait for the completion of this process. Then close it. So that's how you can fix Visual C++ runtime error in just few easy steps.